Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we're going to be dissecting that steering lock, which I said I'd do a long time ago, which I'm going to be doing now. So we're going to dissect it to see what actual damage was caused to the steering lock, to see why the barrel wouldn't be released. Okay, so this is after angle grinding. We've got the cover off. Does the lock still work? Yep. Show you. So it pops out. Still works, so that's fine. But we do need to release the lock now. Hopefully I can get the right tool for that. Okay, so I have my two homemade tools here to get this out. Now, they are both pulling in the metal release pin for the shroud. So I know that part, so I can find. Now, these locks only have one thing holding them in. It's the shroud that holds them in normally, because the shroud goes over the lip. So the shroud holds them in internally, so the locks themselves only need one little pin holding them in. And that's on either one of these. Now, if both of these things are being pulled in, that means this key should release, but it's not releasing, which means there's still more internal damage in here, which is why it's not releasing. So I'm guessing this release spring has broken and it's not releasing, or been damaged somewhere along the line, and just now it won't come out. You should push down on one of these. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it might be this one, but either way I've got two in there and it's just not coming out. It's really the point of no return. So everything's been cut out now. So the lock itself, that's ruined now, obviously. That's definitely ruined now, but it still works. Yep. Mercedes-Benz quality for you. It still works. Obviously useless now, naturally, but and this still works as well. Wow, that's a shock. Didn't expect that to still work. Not after the abuse which you've given it. This is more just a destruction video now, rather than what broke. How on earth this lock survived is beyond me. It still functions. Hear the key won't come out. Turn it. Oh, it's a bit more notchy now, but it was. And it still works. After all the abuse, all the angle grinding. See the damage you've done to this lock? Look at it. And it still works as a lock. It's beyond me how this thing still actually works. But see, that's the little black tab we were trying to release right there. So if I line them up, grab this, see, it should have pushed that down, but if you didn't push down far enough, it wouldn't come out. But that's what we're trying to release right there, and I think that was the culprit of why this wouldn't be changed. So job done. That's going to be a short video. Quite nippy today, very nippy, I'll add to that. So I'm going to wrap this one up really quickly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up if you like and subscribe to see this channel grow. This has been On The Drive, and I'll see you in the next one.